Hello. This is Patches. Patches. She's a good girl. She's a real chunky girl. But she's got a little fat underneath. Most of it's pussycat muscle. Believe it or not, she's a little motor, this girl. She likes to chase the ball and catch it and bring it back to me. I taught her how to play fetch. I hear her sister Jodi meowing. I don't know, the two of them, they love each other one day, and the next day Jodi's trying to be the dominant alpha female that she is, and she's making things hard for Patches sometimes when I'm not around, right? Ooh, Boogie Boo! She's a good girl. Look at her. A good girl. I love you. Yes. That's Patches. And here's Jodi. Here, Jodi, come here. Pussycat. Say hello. Huh? Hello. Say hello. Meow. Say meow. Huh? She wants me to pet her too. She's smart. See? Because she's like the alpha female, this girl. She don't get brown-nosed. She actually gets up here and yeah, there she goes. She wants to. She starts assuming the position. She wants me to clean her tush for her. And she sits here and I get a washcloth and I wash her bottom for her so she don't stink. The other ones, they all lick it all up there, pretty much. Well, she's a loud purring girl too. Listen to him. If you can hear her. You're purring loud. Jodi. She wants me to give her a bath. She's in the sink. Uh-oh, someone's getting sick. Oh no, I hear throwing up. I thought I heard someone throwing up. What's up? What's going on here? What was that noise? No? I thought someone was throwing up. No, he's up there. You guys, everybody's okay. All right. Never mind. All right. Meow. I think we got you purring pretty good. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. This is Tigress. This is Patches. Mother-daughter. Funny, Mama got spay and she never got bigger. She never got chunky. Once she got spay, bada boom, she got fat. Jodi too, she put a little on once she got spay, not so much. Jodi's just a big girl. She got big frame, this girl. She's the alpha female, Jodi. Alright, it's another Pussycat video. I got so much work to do, but I want to do nothing. And I haven't done nothing for the past month or so, since I won that money. I'm going to have to start doing something now, otherwise I'm going to end up spending that money. Alright. Lousy day, boy. Look at it. It's just pouring out there. It's just pouring. 41 degrees and it's just pouring rain. Alright. Have a good day, everyone.